Namaskar. Good morning, dear students. Today's date is 31st July 2020, day Friday. Today we are going to learn about unseen passages. Here we have one example, world's largest seal. Now we are going to read this passage and we are going to answer the questions depending on the content. Now let's start reading. In the freezing ocean waters of Antarctica, the planet's largest seal makes their home in a frozen world. These giants are southern elephant seals. They can grow as long as the length of a car and weight as much as two cars combined. The name elephant seal comes from both the male's enormous size and from their giant trunk-like nose, called a proboscis. Females do not have a proboscis and they are much smaller. A thick layer of blubber keeps southern elephant seals warm in their icy habitat. The seals are clumsy on land, but in water they are graceful swimmers and incredible divers. They can easily dive 1000 to 4000 feet to hunt for squid, octopus, and various kinds of fish. Elephant seals are able to stay underwater for 20 minutes or more. The longest underwater session researchers observed is an amazing 2 hours. When they return to the surface to breathe, it's only for a new minute. Then they dive again. While elephant seals spend most of their time swimming, they also gather on beaches in groups called colonies. One reason they come to land is to give birth and breed. Males arrive before females. They battle for dominance, deciding who will have large harms of females. Raising their enormous bodies, the males inflate their snouts and bellow. Usually these confrontations end quickly, however. Sometimes only a physical battle can settle the matter. These fights can be bloody, but permanent injury is rare. Females arriving on land give birth to a single pup they have been carrying since the previous year. Newborns weigh about 90 pounds. The mother nurses her pup for a little over 3 weeks. After this, she breeds with a dominant male and then returns to the seal to feed. Her pup now weighs well over 200 pounds and is one of its own. If it survives, it too will enter the sea within a couple of months. A second reason elephant seals come to land is to molt. When they molt, they shed old skin and fur, and new skin and fur grows. A smaller species, the northern elephant seal, lives in Pacific Ocean, depressed from Baja California to Alaska. But both northern and southern elephant seals were once hunted nearly to extinct. However, under legal protections, both have made incredible comebacks. Now let's see its question answer part. First one, based on the information in the article, describe how an elephant seal movements are different on land and in the water. On land, an elephant seal is clumsy and has a difficult time moving around, but in the water, an elephant seal moves easily and gracefully. Second, why do male elephant seals arrive on land before females during the breeding season? Male come ashore before females to fight for dominance. Their fights decide which males will have the largest harems of females. 3. According to the information in the article, describe 2 reasons why elephant seals come on land. Elephant seals come on land to breed and give birth and to molt. 4. How does an elephant seal obtain its food? What foods are a part of an elephant seal's diet? An elephant seal obtains food by diving to depths of around 1000 to 4000 feet to hunt. Elephant seals eat squid, octopus, and a variety of fish. 5. Based on what you read in the article, are elephant seals in danger of becoming extinct today? Why or why not? Today, elephant seals are not in danger of becoming extinct. This is because laws are now in place to protect their populations. Let's see next question. Fill in the missing letters to create a vocabulary word from the article. Then write the full word on the line. Be sure you spell each word correctly. First, enormous. Here, extremely large, enormous. Second, O dash O dash IN dash N dash E, power or superiority over others. Here, dominance, right? Spelling DOMINANCE. Third word, C dash U dash dash Y, awkward or ungainly. Here, clumsy, right? CLUMSY. Fourth one, dash ER dash A dash EN dash, lasting indefinitely. Here, permanent, PERMANENT. Then fifth one, groups of elephant seals, dash dash L dash NIE dash. Here, colonies, group of elephant seals, COLONIES. Next, sixth one, E dash dash IN dash T dash dash N, disappearance from the planet, means extinction, EXTINCTION, right? Now seventh one, dash dash UB dash ER, fatty tissue that helps sea mammals stay warm. Here, blubber, BLUBBER. Eighth, dash ELL dash dash, make a loud roaring sound. Here, bellow, BELLOW. Okay, so this is how we solve the exercise. Now let's see, one project is also there. In the article, World's Largest Seal, you learned that southern elephant seals reside in the icy waters of Antarctica. Choose another animal species that lives in Antarctica using the internet with your teachers, means your parents' permission. Here parents, okay, because we are not coming in school, so parents. So, with your parents' permission, research 5 interesting facts about the animal you choose. Describe what you learned on the lines below. Be sure to include the website address where you learned the information about your animal species. This is your today's homework. Today, you have to collect information about any animal, water animal of Antarctica who lives on Antarctica, right? So, and with the help of this point, we have to describe here, and web address is compulsory. It will help you to be more clear how to search and how to use the internet in our daily life. So, today what we have learned? Today we learned about the world's largest seal, how to answer the question, and then how to find out the glossary or hard words, and then we learned how to write information about the animal. I hope it will be quite interesting for you all, and I am waiting for your answers. So today's homework is you have to complete world's largest seals project in this PDF file. Okay, I am sending you these page feedback PDF. Okay, thank you.